So first, I want to introduce the people on the board, the Mami board of directors, all these wonderful men and women you're seeing flanked on both sides. Basically, I conned them. I, I said to them, कुछ नहीं है, हाँ properly, साल में 2 meeting होगी, कुछ नहीं है. Cut to Sid Roy Kapoor's office is being used for workshops. Dharma is lending us equipment for free. Ritesh Deshmukh, who's on our board and is not here because he's traveling, is actually taking us to Mantralaya to make us meet the CM. So honestly, and I have to tell you this, so one night I met Sid at a party, and I'm a very morning person. I'm sending emails at 6 a.m. So he looked at me, he's like, you're really whipping us, aren't you? So... So all of them have put themselves out, have given time and talent. And it's not just these people. Everyone I've asked, we've asked, the Mami team has asked, has come through. You know, we've had no money until very recently. So I would just pick up the phone. Like, I called Prasoon's team, and we're going to unveil our new brand identity. And I said to Prasoon Joshi of McCann Erickson that, look, I can't afford you, but give me your time, give me your talent, and he did. And Puneet Kapoor and Joshua Vasant from his team have created the new Mami identity, which will be unveiled. And most of all, I would like to thank our sponsors. Honestly, this has, I don't know, maybe we were too ambitious. Smriti Kiran, who I will introduce in a little bit, she's the creative director of the festival. When we started pitching and selling, we were like, Munna bhai, in full confidence. Ha, ye to ho hi jayega. It wasn't that easy. And so for the people who've shown faith in this property, and in many ways, this is year one for us. You know, it is a 17-year-old festival, but in many ways, it's been reinvented. It's a new team. It's a brand new year. So I am really, really thankful to our title sponsor, Reliance Jio Infocom, our associate sponsor, Star India, Neeta Ambani, Gayatri Yadav, two of the most amazing women I personally know. Thank you. Really, thank you. I mean, they have backed our vision. They have had faith in what is right now just a blueprint, and we hope we'll deliver something you can all be very proud of. And with that, I would like to unveil the new Mami logo. Neeta, can I now request you to say a few words? Right in the beginning.
Dear Anu and Kiran, thank you for inviting me to this first press meet of the 17th Mami Mumbai Film Festivals. For me, it is from Mumbai Indians to Mumbai Film Festival. Friends from the press and friends on the dais. It's an honor for me to be a part of this prestigious film festival. As Anu said, this festival was started by some of the most respected personalities of Indian cinema. The movies that we have all cherished when growing up. And for today, it's heartening to see that the baton has been passed on to these young stalwarts of Indian cinema. Films are a celebration of life. They add joy and color. They make us think, they provoke us, and they make us laugh. Films have become an integral part of our lives. Jio, Reliance's new business venture, is also a celebration of life. It is ushering in the digital age and is bringing fast internet services to all of India. Mami is a movement that will take our viewers to the best of world cinema and Indian cinema. Jio 2 is a movement that will bring the magic of digital India to all Indians. Jio Mami is a unique partnership. With this partnership, we hope to put Jio Mami on the global map of the most coveted film festivals After all, Mumbai is a home to Indian cinema and deserves only the best. Geo, as we all know, means long life and well-being. Today, Geo Mami is our way of saying, long live Indian cinema, long live Mami. Thank you.
Can I be heard at the back? It's wonderful to be here, and I think in retrospect, we will see this day as historic. And I really thank Anu and Kiran and everyone on the dais and everyone here today to be here on a Wednesday afternoon to celebrate cinema and to celebrate the city. Stars Association with Mami really began sometime end of last year when Anu and Kiran called up and said, there is a possibility the festival is going to go. And I remember saying that it reminded me of a song that I heard the same day as I was driving in for the closing awards night. And that's a song which is Only Know You Love Her When You Let Her Go. And this was something that as a city, we were not gonna let Mami go. You know, people say you need food, shelter, and God alone, you definitely need toilets as well. But I think beyond all of this, what we need is our dreams. And what we need is a power of stories and the power of dreams, because it's dreams and content that really moves the nation forward. And at Star, we really believe in the power of stories. It sort of infuses everything we do. We put 30,000 hours of content. We engage with 720 million viewers every week across 40 channels, 7 languages. But what really drives Uday Shankar, Sanjay Gupta, Star, all of us is just the belief in the power of stories to inspire India, to move the nation forward. And I think Mami the Mumbai Academy of Moving Images is actually Mumbai Academy of Moving India, because it unites and inspires the country. And really that is a power of great storytelling. And India is the largest producer of films in the world. It's about time we had not just one, but many film festivals that we can call our own and that are world-class destinations. And I was just talking to Ajay that on my way in here, I met a couple of people. I asked my driver, I asked a few people, not in the sector. And I said, have you guys heard of Mami and the Mumbai Film Festival? And they sort of looked at me a little puzzled. And I think that is the opportunity. The opportunity is not just about bringing world cinema to India or Indian cinema to the world. I think it's all of that, but I think the opportunity is to make this a people's festival, to make this a festival of Mumbai. Let's just celebrate great content. And I think the genres of art house and commercial are colliding. I think there's just great content. And let's just celebrate great content, because it's about celebrating us. It's about celebrating what makes us human, and maybe it's about celebrating what makes us divine. And I really thank Anu and Kiran and just the energy. I mean, I have not seen so much passion and energy. They have stalked me and Uday till we said, yes, we're on. We are, Star Network is behind this initiative. We are behind great content. And more power to Mumbai, more power to India, more power to our dreams, and all the best for everything. Thank you.
Gayatri, thank you. And now you know how we work, now we stalk. Basically, that's who we are. We're professional stalkers. So now I'm going to introduce another amazing woman. Note kiya jaye ki, no offense to all the incredible men here, but the room's full of amazing women, okay? Kiran Rao. Now I have to tell you guys a story. Kiran Rao, we were in this board of trustees meeting, and before Kiran Rao knew it, she was the chairperson of Mami. She's like, hey, kya hua? What happened? And we're like, too late, you're the chairperson, bye. And we got out of there. And we were at the Beijing Film Festival, Smriti and I, and there, the head of the festival is called Leader. And we were told that when you ask for something, you say, ye kyun nahi hua? What, can I do this, can I do that? They say, Leader will respond. So my name for Kiran is Leader G. So now Leader G will take over and tell you about the rest of the team.
So it's a coincidence that when I came back to Bombay after film school in '98, And I think Mami started roughly around then, Anu, 97, 98. And when I came here, it was, I was the classic film school snob who thought, mainstream was synonymous with bad cinema, and I could never make my kind of films here, I mean, maybe because it was the late 90s, I was largely right. Mainstream was largely bad cinema. But, 17 years later, when I look around, the landscape has changed dramatically and is changing. And not just can I make my own kind of cinema, I think the mainstream has evolved to a new place and is in a position now to start new relationships with art house cinema, to create a place where both can coexist and actually collaborate and infuse energy into each other. And I think that's a place that Mami plays a role as well. I never thought myself that I would be so much a part of what I call mainstream cinema, which is largely commercial cinema. And I feel at home both there and among my art house filmmaker friends and making the kind of cinema that I do. So Mami plays a crucial role in that, and I think us as a board, we truly believe that it's important, and you can see the composition of the board. I mean, Karan is on the board, Ajay is on the board, Siddharth Roy Kapoor. The mainstream firmly supports and backs Mami, and we hope that this is going to be the start of an era where the art house is nurtured, not just by, I don't know, foreign producers and foreign film festivals, but by us. So, I hope Mami ushers in this new world. We certainly believe that the basis of it is stellar programming, but we definitely intend to add lots of glamour to it, so it's exciting for everyone. And we hope, of course, to give cinephiles, as we have for the last 17 years, an incredible array of films every year. And for that, we have an amazing team whom we'll introduce shortly. But before that, we'd like to play for you a film which we made as a call for entries to the festival, and we'd like to play that now.
Going?
You made a film?
Well done. What's your film about? We're here to hear your story.
अपनी फिल्म दिखाओ यार.
You have to show it to us.
मामी आ रहा है, मामी में डालो अपनी फिल्म.
We know your film's important to you, but you have no idea how important your film is to us.
What are you waiting for?
मामी आने वाला है. We are waiting to see your film. We are your audience.
I applied at Mami last year and I had a fantastic experience.
Send it to Mami. We'll get your notice.
Send in your entries now.
Please, please, please apply.
If you still don't get it, all you have to do is log in.
Log in here. Log in.
Log in here. अरे सोच रहे हो? इतना मत सोचो. Log on to the website.
Because as you all have heard from the last round of our press conference to this round, support has really brought us a long, long way. So first, I would like to take the opportunity to thank PVR Cinemas for coming forward and expanding their support to the festival. They supported us last year, and this year they've supported us even more. Ajay Bijli is on our board. Big thanks to you, Ajay. He made sure that this year we locked our venues long in advance, and yeah, really. And we are proud to announce that PVR is our official venue partner for Mami 2015, and that the festival will be held at PVR ECX, PVR Cinemax, and that's Cinemax in Andheri, and PVR Phoenix Mills in Lower Parel. So a big thank you, Ajay, again. I would also like to thank JW Marriott Juhu for coming on board as our hospitality partners. Thank you, Pav and Stephanie. Thanks very much. Real Image are our technical partners, Sharmila and Ketan. Big thank you to you. I'm not sure where you are. Ah, there, hi. And Book My Show for coming in this year to get our registration and ticketing in order. Much needed. Big shout out to Ashish and Kumar. I'm not sure they could make it, but thank you. So apart from our key partners, we would also like to thank our collaborators, our publicity directors, Roma and Anisha of Turning Point Media. Thank you very much. Our event and hospitality managers at 70 EMG, Kenaz and team. Couldn't have done it without you. Digital media partners, ThoughtPot Media. Our legal representatives, Solomon and Company. Thanks, Aaron. Our design directors, Anand Nair and Sunil Rao of Tag Vinati, and Unifrance and the French Consulate. Glad you could join us. Valerie, Alexandre. I'm not sure if you're here. Okay. Oh, hi. Thank you. Oh, I was called for the entry later. Oh, I'm so sorry. Okay, and now that we've seen the film, on to Smriti to tell me what to do next. Yes. Oh, yes. Thank you, Equinox Films, who made the film. Big hand to them, please. Manoj is here. The director, Priyanka Ghosh, who just pulled out all the stops and did it for us, really completely free, all their time and effort. Thank you very, very much. Dharma Productions, thank you. Phantom Films, are missing Mr. Motwani, and Vinod Chopra Films for coming together to make this lovely film. Thank you very, very much, all of you.
And before we stop, I really need to introduce Team Mami, because as I said, it takes a village. So first of all, creative director Smriti Kiran. You guys see me on stage, but that's the backbone. And honestly, if she quit, this festival would fall apart. She has also got her first gray hair this week. So I don't know how good Mami is for her, but she's very good for Mami. The wonderful folks who are heading our international programming, Anu Rangachar, head of international program, Dipanjana Pal, consultant to international program, Rashid Irani, member of the selection committee for international. There's Uma Dakuna, who is a force of nature. I have seen her in action in Cannes and Toronto. Oh my God, tireless, absolutely tireless Uma. Then there are the rock stars of our Indian programming, Beena Paul, who's head of the Indian program. She couldn't be here, she's traveling. Dipti Taguna, who told me that lovely leader story from Beijing. Seema Mohapatra, the Mami marketing director, right there. So Seema used to head marketing for BBC and quit this very illustrious career to make movies, but we've hijacked her and fully just emotionally blackmailed her into doing this for us, and here she is. Santosh Pathare, head of the short film competition section, Dimensions Mumbai. And now 3 women who are doing very special things for Mami. I can't tell you what it is because we'll reveal that later. Monica Wahi, who's curating a special section. Meenakshi Shedde, also curating a special section. And Sophie Sivaraman, also curating a special section. Arpita Das is the publisher and editor for the Mami catalog. She also couldn't be here. Prasad Khatu, the festival manager. Prasad, give us a smile. Thank you. Isha Vardhan, associate festival manager, smiling away. Natasha Patel, associate to the Indian program. And a big, big special thanks to Sofitel for letting us host this event in this beautiful, beautiful room. So thank you all. We're going to take some pictures now, and then Team Mami is here to answer any Q&A you might have, and the sponsors are allowed to go.
निकाल निकाल लेना।
Largely perceived to be a very mainstream filmmaker, and it's very nice to see you do something for a festival which essentially will bring niche cinema all towards cinema diversity. Do you ever think, as one of the top producers in the country, to produce films which are more independent than something that you already do?
There's always a perception when you come from the mainstream that, your cinema, is of a certain syntax and tonality. Having said that, I think I'm a great supporter of good cinema, which is why a few rare occasions when Dharma Productions have stretched themselves, they films like Lunchbox. Those endeavors, of course, have been very, very few and far between. But I'm all for actually supporting any film that is good. This unfortunately doesn't come to me at all. Invariably knocks on Kiran Rao's door. Anything that's intelligent, cerebral, everyone thinks is not my cup of coffee. So I'm unfortunately looked at as this big piece who makes the movies that Anu hates. So unfortunately, you might question my presence on this panel, but I think a lesser known fact is that I actually am a huge lover of cinema. I love cinema, I love the movies, it's all I know. I don't have a life, I don't have a relationship, I don't have a spouse, I don't have children. I'm married to my company and I'm married to the movies. And I think any platform that really supports cinema has to be supported by all of us. We can't be sitting on high horse mainstream chairs and not do anything for the medium itself. I think it's ridiculous. For all of us who live in a bubble in mainstream cinema, I don't realize there's a world out there, there's a viewership out there, there's content out there that needs to be staged, applauded and positioned. And I'm so glad that Mami has such firefighters, on its board. And Mami has to go beyond sounding like an Indian relative in our country now. It has to kind of have like huge amount of resonance in the world of cinema. And we're the heartbeat of Indian cinema in this city. How could we not have a great festival? So I have to say, kudos to Kiran and Anu for really being relentless, and that's what they are, relentless. And I think it's that level of relentlessness that is required for actually uprooting so many mainstream names and putting them on this table. So that's our story.
Thanks, Karan.
That's right. He's here. Yes, Uma.
This question is to you and also to Manish Mundra, our new giant on the film festival scene. You're here, and I'd like to know your contribution and how what you're going to do for us, besides bringing festival films to us.
First of all, if you can see, I'm placed a sandwich between UTV and Dharma. So it's like I'm very well placed. And that's how the future of independent, small little Braveheart cinemas would be in India, that I see. Would be flanked by giants and will be very safe. That's what I can say. As far as my role is concerned, I'm playing a small role which everyone has to play one way or other. And I have asked both Anu and Kiran to give me a specific role besides, of course, helping release some of the best films which will come out of Mami. And we are looking for those roles and responsibilities. And we understand very clearly that sitting here has a tag called responsibility and accountability, and we are all geared up at Drishyam Films and also with our team here to take up higher responsibilities and make this Mami not only successful this year, but coming years. So that's what I see now.
Hi, this is Samrat from The Hindu. My question is to Kiran. You said that the mainstream is poised to kind of embrace art house cinema or elements of it, and Mami would play a role in that. So I wanted to get a better sense of how it is that Mami will contribute to Indian filmmakers trying to do art house or interesting cinema.
Thanks for the question. It's a really good one, and this is something that we've had a lot of conversation about, because the idea was in this digital age when you can pretty much watch all kinds of independent world cinema on your laptop, what role are we playing for our own filmmakers? What role are we playing for independent filmmakers here? Because cinephiles will find a way to watch what they want to watch. So yes, we want to give people a great, diverse, array of films to watch, but the goal is definitely to be some kind of a link between mainstream distribution and exhibition and the independent filmmaker. And towards that end, we have a few ideas. We hope, this is not something that we're announcing yet, but we hope to develop some kind of a market for our own independent films, both in India and for international sales agents and distributors to come and look at. So we want to be a showcase for independent cinema, both to our own distributors in India as well as abroad. We are hoping to create maybe distribution for Mami winners, the films that win at Mami, to kind of ensure that they get some kind of distribution. These are some of our nascent ideas. With none of us, except of course we've got Ajay on our board, but none of us are in a position right now to do very much, because I think a lot needs to be done that maybe NFDC is doing at Script Lab, the kind of nurturing at the writing stage. But certainly this is something that we can do because we already have submissions to us. We already have new filmmakers submitting to us. So these are just a few early ideas, but it is going to be our goal to promote Indian filmmakers to our own nation and to the world.
Hi, my question is to Mr. Karan sir. Karan sir, over here, Priyanka. Since I'm a short film maker and even you have directed short films like Bombay Talkies, so I just wanted to give a small message to short film makers, which is a good inspiration to us.
I'm not quite sure if I'm qualified to really speak on short films at all. Because having directed one is really no template really to kind of go by. All I can say is that all kinds of content must be made, and if it's engaging, then why not? For me, it's a big challenge to tell a story in 20 minutes or 10 minutes or shorter, because brevity is something that clearly I haven't understood if you see my repertoire of work. So actually, being restricted by budget and timeline was hugely challenging for me. We were given 1 crore to make that short film, and it was, I know that I might sound ridiculous to say this, but it had given me sleepless nights. And I really did not sleep through those 8 days because I didn't know how to do it. But I want to proudly say I pulled it off in 97 lakhs. And everyone had to work free, of course. So Viacom gave me that money, and my major location was the Viacom office. Because that's the only way I could have made the budget. So that has nothing to do with your question, of course. I just wanted to share my deep insight on short cinema, which clearly is not a deep insight at all. I really believe I've seen some great internationally, worldwide, I've seen some fantastic